Something about you supernatural.
Hi there, it's wash day post big chop. This is what my hair looks like when I wake up. As you can see, the shrinkage still shocks me. I'm gonna head straight to the shower. The first thing I like to do is drench my hair in water. I've never really felt the need to do anything beforehand, and I still don't. It feels really good to wash my hair. My hair just seems to eat up all the water and it's really soft even without product. This is the first time actually seeing my hair down after the big chop. I'm surprised it actually goes past my neck. Next, I'm using the Mera Amla oil shampoo. I feel like the shampoo lathered a lot more than usual and it spread throughout my hair pretty easily. The shampoo is about to run out, but there's some products that I've been wanting to try other than Amla. The reason why I didn't try new products while transitioning is because with the two very different textures, I didn't think I'd get a clear indication of how well something would work on my hair. Next, I'm using the Mera Amla oil conditioner. At this length, I don't really need to do sections and I don't even need a brush for now. I can just finger detangle. What I do is I run my fingers through my hair and separate any knots. It's a pretty easy process. And since I just big chopped, I got rid of all the split ends which usually cause tangles. Now I just wear my shower cap to keep in the heat while I take a hot shower. After my shower, I rinse the conditioner out thoroughly. My hair feels really soft and bouncy. Even though my hair is shorter now, I still make sure that I do everything going in one direction, backwards. This way I don't cause unnecessary tangles and frizziness. So that's all the washing done. I'm squeezing out as much water as possible because I'm going to moisturize my hair while I'm still in the shower to keep in the moisture while it air dries. My natural hair holds a lot of water, so I don't think it's low porosity like it was before. Back then, I could hardly squeeze anything out of my hair. I'm applying Aunt Jakie's Quench leave-in conditioner. I just applied and combed through with my fingers. This leave-in is very watery, but it has shea butter and olive oil, which feels really good on my hair. And it smells great. Right now, I'm curious about the other products in Aunt Jakie's Curls and Coils collection, so I'll probably try those next. I can see a few straight pieces that need to be cut off. I'll just cut them whenever I see them. Now I'll move on to styling. My hair is still wet but not dripping, so it's the perfect time for styling. I'm just doing a simple side part.
Something about you supernatural. I get goosebumps every time you call. Got me running.
If I'm using a hair clip like this, which is cute but kind of weak, I need to add some bobby pins behind it to keep that side part in place.
Bring some, doing something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Move, do, baby, move however you want to.
just another hairstyle I could do without stretching my hair. You can never go wrong with hair accessories.
Superstitious with a blind of faith. When we disappear and levitate. Now I know where the sparks come from. One touch, I was so far gone. Still something that I can't explain. Lately, no, I'm not the same. You're just like magic. Not sure what it is, but baby, you have it. Life's better ever since you have it. You're just like magic. Move through, baby, move however you want to. Make the night last till the sunshine through. You're just like magic. I'm just trying to figure out. I'm just trying to figure out. It's magic. I'm just trying to figure out what happened. You're just like magic.